Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the March 2024 HipKits. I'll show you how you can create a dimensional and colorful flower background for your layouts using just 2 of the papers which are included in the March kits. And I also use the March 2024 Viewmaster metal die. First I fussy cut flowers from the Color Me Happy Bloom and Captured papers. Then I cut a piece of white cardstock to 8.5 by 8.5 inches and arrange my flowers on it. I start with the white and pink ones. peel everything and continue with the yellow flowers. Now I adhere the yellow flowers and then I glue the flower background on my layout. I fussy cut a clipboard from one of the cards in the March Pocket Life kit and add my photo. Then I cut out some film strips from another Pocket Life card and tuck one of them behind my photo. I choose one of the chipboard flares, which I included in the March embellishment kit, and place it in the upper right corner of my photo. I'm not sure yet if I'll stay with the pink or the blue flare. Maybe I'll change this later. Then I add one of the cardstock layered foam phrase stickers, which I included in the March embellishment kit, and another film strip. I cut the Viewmaster 2 times from the Essential Solids firm cardstock, which is included in the March cardstock kit, and back them with white cardstock. I place my photo on the flower background, tuck the Viewmaster die cuts behind it, and add a little typewriter which I fussy cut from another Pocket Life card, and 2 die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the March main kit. As you can see, I replaced the title. I think the green one looks much better. continue with some puffy shape stickers from the March embellishment kit. And some epoxy stickers from the March main kit. And I finish with some yellow Nuvo drops. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.